Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get the low latency mode on your JBL Endurance Race earbuds. So first of all, you have to select your earbuds from the JBL headphones application, and next you have to scroll down until you find Smart Audio and Video. You can just simply click on this information icon where you can find description. So as you can see, to get this low latency mode and improve the lip sync, we have to enable the video mode. So right now when you turn it on by tapping on the switcher, that's the Smart Audio and Video mode. You have to wait a little bit, and then you have to simply click on this video mode to activate the low latency mode. Now just wait a little bit, and as you can see, it's finished. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.